Leetcode weekly context 481. Question number 2. Minimum deletion cost to make all characters equal. It is a medium problem. We have 24 characters from A to Z. We can definitely count the total cost of each character. Say, in this case, there are 4A, 1, 2, 4, 1, which is 8. There's 1B, which is 3. There's no Z, which is 0. So count the total cost. Then if we have to remove some letters and left only one, say if we want to left character A, then we want this letter that is left have the highest cost, so we can have the minimum cost to remove, which means we cannot find out the one character that has the maximum cost, and the total cost minus the max cost will be the final result.